This truck carries weight of over 100 cars in a single trip. Meet the Caterpillar 798AC, one of the most powerful mining trucks ever built. It can haul an insane 410 tons in a single trip. Powered by a 3,500 horsepower engine and an advanced electric drive system, it delivers massive torque without even using a traditional gearbox. Fully loaded, this beast weighs over 600 tons and still reaches speeds of 64 kilometers per hour. With a fuel tank of over 5,000 liters, it runs for hours without stopping. This isn't just a truck, it's a moving giant built to dominate the harshest environments on Earth.